In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace email with Asana. This is especially useful for those of you looking to streamline your workflows and improve communications within a team. So let's dive deep into this topic and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, let's talk about the Asana inbox. Instead of the traditional email inbox you might be used to, Asana offers a more organized and efficient way to keep track of all your updates in one place. Think of it as your central hub for collaboration. It's crucial to start by checking your Asana inbox regularly. All updates related to your tasks, projects, and team communications converge here, allowing you to stay on top of any developments without the clutter of external emails. Now, instead of sending an email whenever a new task needs to be addressed, you're going to create a task within Asana. This approach not only keeps everything organized, but ensures that everyone involved has access to all the necessary information. When you create this task, make sure to provide comprehensive details regarding what needs to be done and assign it to the appropriate team member. In doing so, you can include deadlines, attach relevant files, and even specify the project, which ensures that all the information is available in one convenient location. Move on to communication within Asana by focusing on comments. Instead of sending fragmented email replies back and forth, keep the discussion centralized by commenting directly on the task. This method has numerous benefits. For one, it captures the conversation history in one transparent thread, making it easy for team members to follow the discussion and understand the context. This transparency helps in preventing any misunderstanding or lost information, which often occurs when juggling numerous emails. To make sure you're getting the most out of Asana, here's a tip. Always be specific in your comments. Avoid ambiguity by clearly stating your questions or suggestions and directly mention any relevant team members to ensure they receive a notification and can respond promptly. This will increase productivity and alignment within your team. In closing, using Asana instead of email can vastly improve how your team communicates and collaborates. With tasks created within the platform and all discussions localized to comments on those tasks, you reduce the risk of information slipping through the cracks, making your team far more efficient. Remember, consistency is key, so make it a habit to utilize these features daily and encourage your team to do the same. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to implement these strategies in your workflow. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful content like this. Don't forget to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Happy organizing!